Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another process video. I thought I'd bring you along, and I have sped up the video. This is my first time doing it, so I'm going to try to go along with it. Okay, you're looking at a tag, and I have made a tag for that little pocket that you saw in my last process video. There's my little paperclip embellishment that I had made, and oh, look, there, I made another one. And yeah, so I made a tag and actually wrote on it. So that page is almost done. I still have to do the journaling in the top. So now I'm going to work backwards in my book. And I know from this page is about my daughter's trip to the Kennedy Space Center. And so she had brought me back some ephemera. And that page right there is from a childcraft book. So I had found that. It's a picture of a space capsule, and so I made that the background of the page. And then I have her ephemera, which one of the things was a, what's it called, like a plastic bag that you'll see in just a second. There it is. And so yeah, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to place this in here, how I'm going to glue it into the book, because I want it to be a pocket for the ephemera that I've collected throughout that day and what we did. And so yeah, I'm just finagling with it and trying to figure out how to put it on the page the best way. So I take my ATG gun and I mark, well, first I take a pencil and I mark out where I want to put the glue runner. So yeah, I take my ATG gun, and then like smack in the middle it stops working properly. So I had to find a new way to glue it. There it starts messing up right there, and I don't know what's going on. So I end up, let's see, searching my messy desk for my double-sided tape. And where is it? There it is. Okay. Oh golly, my desk is such a mess. So I go ahead and I put double stick tape down so that I can put the plastic baggie to hold all my goodies in. So that's what I'm doing now. And yeah, so I bring the bag over, try to center it up, and stick it down there so I have a nice clear pocket there to hold my tags and whatnot for the day. And then what's gonna go in there is my daughter had brought me back a postcard from the Space Center. I have some other ephemera that I collected during the day as well. I use some of it I don't use. There I had to add some more tape because it wasn't all the way stuck down. So that's what I'm doing there. And I don't journal in this today. Like, I don't write my journaling out. I'm just doing the page. So there's the little pocket from the plastic bag. And yeah, I'm going to put the postcard in there and journal on it later, of course, what happened that day and how she took her class up for a day trip. And then this is Kohl's Cash, because my husband and I had gone to Kohl's to purchase towels. They had towels on sale for a really good price. I don't normally shop at Kohl's, so yeah, I don't need the Kohl's Cash for anything, so I decided to use that as a tag. And yeah, I'll journal on the back of that about the rest of our day and what all we did. And let's see, I don't know what I'm doing now. Oh golly, I think I'm like just messing around with this, yeah, that card there, trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it. Should I dangle it? I poked a hole in it using my crocodile because that thing will chomp through anything. And yeah, I sat there for like 10 minutes literally trying to figure out how I was going to put that on there. And the reason I have that is because it said Home Sweet Home on it. So I took it when I was at Kohl's because my son is moving into his new home in a few short weeks. And my husband and I have been going out the last couple of weeks and finding things here and there for his new home. This day happened to be towels. So yeah, I just thought it was a cute little card to add as an embellishment onto my page, talking about how we went shopping to get some stuff for my son. and that is some McDonald's brochure, and I decided, yeah, more ways to enjoy unhealthy food. No. So I decided not to put that in my journal and remind myself of how unhealthily I eat. Yeah. Still with the dang card, okay? Still trying to figure out where to put the stupid card. And I think I end up just like chucking it into the bag for later, but then I take it out again. So let's see what happens. Yeah, still trying to figure out okay, chuck it in the bag. We'll figure it out later. Do we figure it out later? Let's see. Do we? No, we don't. We take it out. We take it out, and I decided that I was going to glue it to the side of the book and make it like a tab. So now I'm deciding, how to put it in the book. And now I'm closing the book to see how much it's going to hang over. I don't care if things hang over in my book. So, yeah, I think I finally end up just gluing it horizontally down to the bottom, which you're looking at now. And yeah, so let's see. Trying to make sure, I was trying to make sure, like, if I put it right there, that everything would still fit in the pocket properly and all that kind of stuff. So I'm doing that. Sorry if you can hear my dogs in the background. Trying to do this voiceover. I can't win, guys. I cannot win, all right? I'm out on my back patio. My dogs hear the neighbors yelling. The kids playing, Okay, so I finally get the card in, right? And then I had the little hole that I had made, so I'm looking in my box here for a little bit of yarn to put in as a, a tie on the card, just to add a little bit of whimsy and fun. I think I end up not liking it, but I just leave it there because, I've messed with that tag for long enough, okay? So, my fat fingers aren't working properly. I finally get it tied on there. And I'm like, all right, I am done. I am done with this page. So I don't, like I said, I don't journal in anything right now. I'll save that for later, but I'm just, have my tags in there and everything, and trying to figure out, okay, now I'm searching for my date stamps or stickers, I'm sorry. And this is the 9th, I believe, which was I'm not even sure, a Thursday, I think. So, yep. So I put my date stickers on there. Everything's all ready to go. Oh, now I have to back the Kohl's Cash card. So I find some coffee stain paper on my desk. And I had talked before, holy cow, look at that mess I have there underneath my book. All right. I've said before how I do not care if things coordinate. I don't care if they match or go together, if the facing page matches the other page, I don't care. I use whatever's on my desk. I use whatever's in my little folder that I have right there. And so now I'm just backing the Kohl's Cash tag that I'm going to use for my journaling onto the coffee stain paper. So I'm going ahead and doing that. Glue, 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 glue. Okay, yep, sticking it down there, trying to get it as flat as I can. Gluing on my little plastic placemat, which is really gross and I have to wash it, but that'll wait. So, yep, now I'm just cutting everything out. Oh, need a spot of glue there. Alrighty then. So, now I am, cutting everything out, and I will use this as a tag to talk about how my husband and I went shopping for my son's stuff. And there you have it. Yep, so now I bring my book back. Oh no, I'm flattening it out more. Okay, come on, Elizabeth. Oh, those little bits I'll use in a collage later. So now I'm just fitting everything in and making sure everything fits and is all dandy in the pocket. And then I decide, maybe I want something on the top of the tag. And so I think I'm going to get a tab. So let's take a gander. Anything in that box? Nope. No tags. No tags anywhere. Tabs. I'm sorry. Tabs. Yeah. Okay. Let's try another box, Elizabeth. What's in this box? Pretty little doodads. Oh, there they are. There are the tabs. So I think I take a tab out and it's like too dark. So I find another one. And let's see. Yeah, I find, okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that one didn't work, so I try another one. And there's a little painty one that I'd made a few years ago, or last year, something like that. And take my little tiny attacher, attach it on there, take my pliers, smush down the staples so they don't get caught on anything. And I'm done with that spread now, except for the journaling. So everything's on there peachy keen. There's the other one that I had made with you guys the other day. I don't know what's going on these pages, all of my other pages. I'm now just going through and seeing how I can just like stick down pockets. That's a beautiful card from Brooke that she sent me when she sent me my date stickers for this month with my little love note from her. So, okay, that is a photocopy of her beautiful artwork. I keep her original artwork that she puts on her packages, and I put it on my Brooke wall. So I decided to make this into a pocket, and I want it to go that away. And then I think I'm probably gonna punch a little tab, you know, or like a little, I'm gonna punch a hole in it, you know, a half circle in it to make it look like a pocket, you know, so I know that there's something in there. I stick her little love note inside that beautiful piece of artwork. Oh, I'm looking at that card. It was so cute. It was of two little boys with their pups, and it was adorable. I'll probably use that later, but for right now, I'm just leaving it in the book. And yeah, I stick her little note in there so I can keep it and see if it'll fit into the pocket. Now I'm going to take my Fabri-Tac and I'm going to glue the pocket down. Oh, but first I have to make my little notch, so I do that. And then I do believe that I'm going to ink it up, because why not? I ink everything up. Yes. Okay, so where's my ink? Give it a reach, go into the drawer. There you have it. There's the ink. Okay, so I'm inking it up. Oh, my heavens. Yep, inking it all up because, you know, it's always fun to ink everything. And then I'm going to just glue it in with my Fabri-Tac. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And, oh gosh, that glue is so hard to get out, and it's like at the end of its life, so it makes it doubly hard to get out. So there you have it. Okay, so down she goes, as straight as I can make it. Cap on so that there's no volcano on the Fabri-Tac. And yep, getting that all glued down, sticking that in there, not too far in because obviously I don't want it to get stuck on the glue, so I'm just leaving that there for it to dry for a bit. And now I'm moving on to, okay, now I'm going to put the date stamps or stickers on, so I find the proper, you know, date. Oh, I might back that card and put my journaling just on that, and then I don't have to make an extra tag. And so I can, yep, journal and put it in the pocket. And so that's done. And then this here is just a meme I got offline that resonated with me that day. I must have been having a bit of a rough day. So I'm just going to glue it down and make it a pocket. And later on, I will make a tag to go into that pocket to do my journaling. So now, so far, I have got a lot of pages that are near completion. Now I'm putting on the date stamps. Stickers. Ay, why do I keep calling them stamps? Date stickers. So I'm getting those put on. And most of my pages now are pretty much done. I just have to make some, I have to do my journaling. So I'm going to do that at a later time. And then now I'm working on, so I'm still working backwards in my book. So now I'm taking this envelope that I had gotten from Sweet Christy, and I have to do a little bit of fixing on it because there was a hole in it. So I'm just taking a few scraps of paper and fixing up that hole so that I can glue it down to make a pocket in my book to hold all the tags. And there's a tag you see on there now that is from the sweet Laura, from a happy mail from Laura. And yeah, I'll put all the links below. If I mention anybody, I'll always have the links to them in the description box below, so always check that out for the links. And so I'm gluing up the pocket, I think, or no, right here I'm like fixing the pocket so there's not a hole in it. And then yeah, now there's not a hole. It's all fixed up. And now I'm going to take my Fabri-Tac and I'm going to glue that down and make it a pocket. And I really didn't have, I don't know why I only put it on 3 sides. I should have just glued the entire back on. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. So anyway, there you have it. There it is. And so, yep, it's, yep, now I got that glued in. And so I can put all my stuff into the pocket and journal later on. So yeah, like I said, I've gotten most of my pages all decorated, most of the tags put in, and now I'm just ready to go back and journal about my days. And I can do that in front of the TV or, you know, wherever I am. I have everything all set and ready to go. My notes are on my phone. And yeah, so I think I'm about done. Now I'm just walking back through some of the pages and I have most everything done. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know, you know, let me know in the comments below if you like the voiceover thing, if you like it sped up, if you'd rather a chatty video. If, you know, I know some people like chatty, some people don't. Some people like shorter videos, some people like longer videos. So let me know in the comments below. There, I'm going through the book and I still have a few more pages that I have to prepare. And so, yeah, that's about it, I do believe. And so I'm going to thank you for your time and thank you for sharing it with me. And yeah, let me know in the comments if this is the type of video that you guys like. Bye.